party Ziggy. At times he keeps his hair like the hippies in the 60s. He loves Alibaba and the 40 Thieves and Jesus and Buddha too. And Item dreads and Kanye Rizla and recites the words of Clopas on his road to Emmaus. And when John sent his disciples to ask if Jesus was the one, he befriended different people from different religions, even the heathens. And good people make bad decisions. At times he goes safari, Tapaika mouse, straight in the khakis. There you go safari. There's still the Cabo Bushman in the desert, Kalahari. No hardly where I'm from, so they two-step to extinction. He might exit the same time with the people of confusion. All he needs is bread, water, Charlie weed, and his music. He's seeking peace without the mystic man on his mission, and his mission is to seek not for war but for wisdom. He dislikes the modern history and prefers the dog on mystery, quite disheartened by the Nazis. Victory of the Blitzkrieg, he believes in the victory of good over evil and despises the simple conflict with quite a unique precision. He doesn't follow trends, religion or the fashion. He'd rather die with slaves than with the cows of passion. He lives on fruits and nuts and food that grows from the ground, and smoke the idle herb and meditate as the earth revolves around. He loves to watch the sun rise and love the way it falls, and adores the penitent thief like luckiest of them all. He often asks the man in the mirror on the wall, man in mirror on the wall, who's the happiest of them all. At times he spins the bottle, at head where it points. He loves it was the mountains, obsessed with climbing any. His type is not uncommon, it exists in every age, but surely not so common and often misinterpreted. Special party Ziki West is much love, Tangali, great destination marketplace, Akanonga $1 buys a watermelon which he cuts into 5 equal parts and item driver's license, tell Anika get a life. Special party Ziki West is much love, Tangali, great destination marketplace, Akanonga $1 buys a watermelon which he cuts into 5 equal parts and item driver's license, tell Anika get a life.